Here we have number 7. We're going to describe the type of trapezoid it is and find the length of the midsegment. The midsegment is this line that goes through the middle right here. Boom, 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 boom. Right? So the equation is that the midsegment is going to be the top length plus the bottom length divided by 2. It's essentially the average, right? So I can use the midsegment is equal to 7 plus 11 divided by 2. That is 18 over 2. That makes it 9. That means this value here is 9. There's an interesting way to think about this. What is the distance from 9 to 7? Well, we go up here, we minus 2. Same thing here, 9 to 11, we plus 2. Notice that the same distance here, okay? And for B, this is considered to be the midsegment here. So the midsegment is going to be equal to the top, which is 7 plus 3 divided by 2. That becomes 10 over 2, which simplifies to just a 5. Notice that the distance from 5 to 3 is 3, and 2. And the distance from 5 to 7 is also 2. That's how you know you did it correctly. And lastly, C, the midsegment is right here. We know that the midsegment, it is the bottom plus the top. So 12 plus 7 divided by 2. 12 plus 7, it is 19 divided by 2. Just use a calculator here. 19 divided by 2, we get 9.5. That means this is a value of 9.5. 9.5 to 7, which is 2.5. 9.5 to 12 is also 2.5. That's how we double check our answer. So there you go. That is how you find the midsegment of this trapezoid. Top plus bottom divided by 2.